I can see cities in the sky. I can see my life in your eyes. I know there's times we chose to forget. But searching through those, I still don't regret. Can you find a place for me in your world of fantasy? I'll be your king, you be my queen. In our city in the sky.
Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching that edit. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like. I'm shooting for 30 likes. That would be epic. Also, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. That'd mean the world to me. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below what you guys thought about that edit. I just got this literally a few days ago, and I've been spending like hours on it, like way too long on it. Also, in some other later videos, I can teach you guys some tricks. Just let me know what your thoughts are. Love you guys. Peace out, homies.